In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete email account from Thunderbird if you're cleaning up old accounts or troubleshooting sync issues. Removing an account from Thunderbird is quick, and I'll walk you through it carefully so nothing catches you off guard. Remember, this only removes the account from Thunderbird on this computer. It doesn't cancel the email service itself. First, go to Thunderbird. Open the application and give it a moment to load your mail. On the left, you'll see the account list in the folder pane. Make sure you can clearly see the account you want to remove. Next, right-click on the email account you want to delete. Be sure you're right-clicking the account name at the top of its folder tree, not a single folder or message. If you're on a trackpad without a separate right-click button, use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while you click to open the context menu. From that menu, click on Settings. In some versions, this appears as Account Settings. That opens the settings window for the account you selected, and you'll see options for server settings, copies and folders, synchronization, and more. We won't change any of those, we just need the removal control. Now, click on Delete. Depending on your version, the delete or remove option may live in a button labeled Account Actions near the bottom left of the window. Choose the delete or remove account option there. This prepares Thunderbird to remove the selected account and any data tied specifically to it in the profile. Finally, click on Remove to confirm. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read it carefully. In some setups, you may see a checkbox related to local message data. Review it so you understand what will be removed from this device. When you're ready, click Remove. Thunderbird will close the settings window and the account will disappear from the folder pane. That's it. You've successfully deleted an email account from Thunderbird. If you ever need it again, you can add it back later using your provider's settings. If you don't see the exact wording I used today, look for the closest match. Settings or account settings, then delete, then remove, since labels can vary slightly between updates and operating systems. One more note. If your account used IMAP, your messages live on the mail server, so removing the account simply disconnects Thunderbird from it. If it used POP with local storage, the confirmation prompt controls what happens to local copies.